In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play PS5 games here on your PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now keep in mind, you are going to need a PS5 console for this to work. But don't worry, after we do this entire guide, your PS5 games will fully run on your PC from anywhere using remote play. So begin by actually starting on your PC and go ahead and open up a web browser on your computer. This is something like Chrome, Edge, or really any browser you want. And essentially just search for PlayStation Remote Play, hit enter, wait for it to load, and you need to go to PS Remote Play just like so. And you're going to have the option to go ahead and download it. Go ahead and select download, choose your device that you're on, for example, Windows PC, hit download, and then find this little installer, select it, and then hit yes. From here, you just continue through the setup process just like so. It shouldn't take too long to actually go ahead and load for you, but hit next a few times, and then of course, go ahead and hit install and wait for it to finish installing. When you're done, you can just have this tick to launch PS Remote Play. Just hit finish and it's going to start loading you into this. From here, you need to sign in to your PSN. So go ahead and select this, wait for it to load, and sign into your account just like so. From here, you could choose to either connect to a PS4 or PS5. I'm going to hit PS5, but now it's going to give you a little thing saying that you need to enable on your PS5 first. So go ahead and return to your PS5 now. And once you're on your PS5, what you need to do is actually go up to the very top, select settings, just like so. Then scroll down to system and then scroll down on this left-hand sidebar and you're going to see remote play. Open this up, hit enable remote play, and then just tick it on for your account, just like that. And then you need to go ahead and hit pair device. It's going to show you a little option that looks like this. You need to type in that code on your device. So like, for example, on your PC. Just keep in mind you're going to want your PC to be connected to the exact same internet as your PlayStation 5, which mine actually isn't because it's connected via Ethernet right now. But type in that code and you'll immediately be able to start playing games through remote play on your PC. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.